We've wanted a large water feature here since we moved 10 years ago. This spring, it's happening. We broke ground in October 2019 after years requiring stone and materials. And we've excavated and installed the basin and the waterfall weir. Then we rolled out this used swimming pool liner and we tested it. Now the weir holds water, but it fails to deliver the flow profile that we want. Here I added aluminum piece to extend the spillway. Now it may not look like much, but it sure sounds nice. Projects like this that make living in the country real exciting. So stick around, join us, and keep up to date by hitting that bell notification and subscribing. Now to bring you up to speed on our pond, I decided I wanted to make a pond out of 100% recycled everything. And to do that, it's by picking up other people's waste and throwaways. All of these rocks came from various sites, people giving it away and picked all that up. The liner I'm using is coming from a above ground swimming pool that was being tossed out. So this waterfall weir and spillway at one time was a lawn roller, polyethylene lawn roller, and I had cut it up and done whatever I could and welded it. So far it works pretty good. It holds water and everything. Got a couple of exits from it to feed two other waterfalls, but it's this lip here in the front. It's just not long enough. So I've got a piece of polyethylene. I'm going to extend it 4 or 5 inches anyway. I figure the longer the better, and I can cut it off if I have to, because I really want it to cascade over the rocks. This is going in the shop.